Here's my header, it's just going along harvesting all the wheat. Chaseman's coming up beside it. The header's going to put out its auger because it's full. Chaseman will keep going. They'll keep going along until the header's back gets empty and the thing gets full. It'll fold in its thing and it'll keep going. Chaseman will come up and around here to the truck. It will empty it out into the truck, and it will just keep going along till that there's full. Fold back in. This truck will come around, keep going through, around here, put its sample through the window there to that lady. And we're at Graincorp here, so it'll just check the sample of the wheat. She'll say it's all right. Come round up here, back it up. They'll open up the silo, push that there back into there, the Graincorp silo, then they'll be there. He'll tip up his back, and he'll go into the silo, and then the silo will be nearly full. So the truck's now empty. They'll shut that. They'll shut that there. They'll move that there around, so it's like that. So the next truck can come. And he'll come along here. He'll go into there and he'll pay. Yep, once that's all done, he'll come out the door here, get back into his truck and go out and around the back and keep going back to his house. And we'll get this here, it's coming in. He'll come in around here, he'll sign in at the Graincorp, and then he'll come up here because he's filling up. He'll open up his top. Grain will come in from that side, will come up the auger and into this truck for him to take back to his farm. He'll shut it. He'll come along here, get out, go through the door. He'll pay, he might get a coffee, and he'll get back in, and they'll go back to their farms.